If you are facing verification issues on Revolut after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can lead to issues during the verification process. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Step 2. Update the Revolut app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Revolut app. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates. An updated app may cause verification problems. Step 3. Clear app cache. If you're using an Android device, go to your settings, find the Revolut app, and clear the cache. This can help resolve any temporary issues that might be affecting the app's performance. Step 4. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Follow instructions carefully. Once you receive a response from customer support, follow their instructions carefully. They may ask for specific documents or information to complete the verification process. Ensure that you provide accurate and clear information. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on Revolut. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.